descend on the old. Return, my followers. Return to your master.
Stop it!
These rats are slow rats! Keep them away from the middle!
Alright, I'll give them to the side!
And my servants shall rise toward the firmament. I am the weapon of the Mercury.
Don't just stand there, Amicia!
The storm of light, my angel. I know you're hungry.
You turn, Hugo! Hit him!
Soon you shall eat.
Here, come out. And you're sure this is the way?
This is how my mom took me last time.
Sherry? I've been looking everywhere for you, Sherry. Brave little girl to leave your house in the middle of this mess. On the ground, hands behind your head.
You can't be serious.
On the ground, now. Sherry, tie her hands.
Why are you doing this?
Shut up. Tie her. Okay then. You tie her up now, or she dies.
What's this all about?
Child endangerment, for starters. Sherry, come here.
What are you gonna do to her?
None of your fucking business.
If you hurt her, I swear to God, my brother is stars and I will fuck her.
Sherry, get over here. What's your name?
Fresh ammo coming up. Get some, putas!
Where everybody can help but wonder, what next? Where do we go from here?
Yes, more or less what I expected from you. But you got the picture. So, is your counter functioning? Have you checked it?
Yes, it's all green. Double checked it. Stepan's in the green too. We don't need masks here.
So, they were telling the truth.
Who was telling the truth? Why won't you answer? Who were those people trying to kill us? Why would they shoot at you, the Order's commander? Explain something, at least. You owe us that.
Well, I might as well drop the bomb now. The war did not end.
What do you mean, did not end?
Οι χαρακτήρες αντεστραγωδίες προαιρούνται του ύψους της βίας. Ούτε έφτασε σαν παιδί. Μεγαλώνει με και σχεδόν.
Μεγαλώνει με και πολιώνει.
Armed Sicarios patrol the streets of the village, ready to enforce harsh punishments to those who do not comply. Rumors persist of hidden transportation cave systems connecting the village, the cartel compound, and the hidden coca fields beyond. It is a rare occurrence to have all three cartel leaders present in the village at the same time. Expect that all targets are protected by scrupulous killers, armed with automatic weapons. Rico Delgado inhabits his fortified mansion on the outskirts of the village, while Andrea Martinez can be found in her village office or around Santa Fortuna itself. And Jorge Franco is engaged in development of a new drug in his field laboratory. Happy hunting, 47.
Peut-être pas, mais n'oubliez jamais que ce qui est écrit n'est pas toujours vrai, et que ce qui est vrai n'est pas toujours écrit.
Il s'approche! Ça va pas du tout! Nous a eu! J'en peux plus! J'ai jamais fait ça! Qu'est-ce que je dois faire? Il faut qu'on soit fort! Les voilà!